Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure that you guys subscribe down below, turn on your post notifications, that way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. But today we are going to the air show here on base, and I actually forgot my freaking camera upstairs, so I was just like gathering everything, and that was the one thing that I forgot. But it's okay, I have my phone, so hopefully this video turns out pretty good. But there's Junior back there. Are you ready to go see Daddy? Say let's go. And I don't know if you guys can hear or not, but those are the jets flying right now. I don't know if I'm able to actually record the jets or not because there are fighter jets, so I'm just gonna have to see once I get there. But I have to go pull out some money first, some yen, because there's a bunch of vendors out there, and then we'll be on our way. Can you say bye-bye, baby? Say bye-bye. Yeah. Can you give mwah, a kiss? No? Okay. We'll meet you guys over there. Okay, so I just got done pulling out the money, and I wanted to show you guys. I don't know if you guys have ever seen yen before, but this is $50. I'll show you the back of it. That's what the yen look like. Junior back there eating his Cheez-Its. So let's go.
Long time no see. God damn. Still stuck. I feel it, man.
You got your daddy? You got your daddy?
Yeah, he said yeah. Junior. Papas.
Junior.
You got him?
Yo.
Go ahead, baby.